Hello, my name is Jonathan Griffiths. I'm Vice President of ADSS Cymru. And I'm really pleased to have the opportunity to thank you as social workers on World Social Work Day, but equally everybody else associated with the social care sector in Wales and across the world for what you've done to support people during what's been a really, really challenging time. As a fellow social worker, I can imagine and reflect on periods where I've had really challenging practice cases to deal with. And having a support network around you is extremely important in that, and I know that only too well. So I have real empathy with the fact that you've had to operate in very, very different ways and connect not only with the people you're supporting, but amongst your colleagues as well. So it is really heartening to see the way that you've adopted that over the last year, and indeed how we will need to adopt that into the future. Because what it does is create a really different way of us working together, both with the people we support and amongst our colleagues. So I'm really thankful that I've seen really fantastic examples of the way we've created that social solidarity and connection amongst ourselves. So it's really heartening to see. Thank you again for the opportunity to address you on what is a really important event to remember, World Social Work Day. Thank you very, very much.